Hello, my name is Vanessa Claudio Becerra. I am single. I am from Colombia. I am 25 years old. I work in the area of human talent in Inipitulua, a project development company at the territorial level, and I am in 7th semester of industrial engineering at UNAT. I live in Tuluá Valle. In my free time, I like to watch Netflix, go to cinema. Besides, I usually visit different shows with my friends or on weekends. There we take a lunch and also take a picture and later go to drink coffee or beer. I love it eat hot dogs or salchipapa and I spend time with my family. I like Tuluá is a small city. It's called the Heart of the Valley and is located in Valle del Cauca. There are a lot of things to do, like eat cholado in the Lago Chilicote, enjoy nature in the Jardín Botánico or Parque de la Guadua. Also, you can go with family and friends to swim in the Parque Carlos Armando Lora. People sometimes eat the typical food like sancocho and empanadas. In Tuluá, there are two shopping centers, many restaurants, clubbing, schools, a library in the center of city, and two cinemas. In conclusion, you can do many things and visit different places in Tuluá.